Hey guys, it's me again, Miss 2S, and here's another little video on Canvas. This is to how to use Immersive Reader if I've put a reading into your week's work. So, for example, week 1, scroll down, click on the page. On Thursday, there's a reading that you were supposed to do. It is a reading from the textbook. So what you do is you click on the reading. I have done two things. I've posted the PDF, so you can click on this and open the PDF. And you will see essentially the pages from the textbook, okay? What I'm going to actually do is I'm going to make this half my screen, okay, if I can make it work. Okay, I'm going to make this half my screen, and then I'm going to go back to this reading, and I'm going to click on this link right here that says Immersive Reader, because what it does is it opens this up, and it will actually read the text to you. So notice that this reading starts in the last activity. So I'm going to scroll down here because these are my instructions that I posted on the link. This is weird because it's what was in the table. And you'll notice that it says in the last activity. So what you can do is, mine's hidden down here because I've got this purple border, but down here at the bottom of the page, there's a play button. And you can actually hit play and it will actually read it to you. And I don't know if you can hear this or not. So it will read it to you. You can also then follow along either in the Immersive Reader or in the PDF. And the reason I recommended doing a split screen like this is because the pictures are in here and that can be really, really helpful in understanding. So what I recommend you do is you use Immersive Reader to read it out loud to you if you're struggling at all. I don't care what your reading level is. Science is hard to read sometimes, okay? Especially when there's nobody else to talk to and I'm not available to answer your questions right away. So what you can do is you can scroll down. This part right here, I did not copy into the document, so the Immersive Reader will skip this part. It's going to go right to this reading. Okay, so reading, elements are made of just one kind of atom. So you'll see down here that it says, so here's the guiding question, then it immediately jumps to elements are made of just one kind of atom. So that's this part right here. You can just read them side by side, or you could watch the Immersive Reader and then go back and look at the question or look at the pictures as you need to. Okay, I just wanted to let everybody know that that is a resource that I've set up in Canvas, and that's the reason why there's a PDF and the text just copied into that assignment. Okay, so that's why you can just take the assignment, and that's why it's just text right here. It looks really boring, but that's so that you can use this tool called Immersive Reader. All right, so I hope that helps anybody that needs it. Shoot me an email if you got any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.